What is going on, MegaWhale team? Welcome back to our channel. Thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to actually jump in and do a quick update on Luna because this is crazy. This is unreal, and I'm honestly blown away at how fast this coin has absolutely just tanked it. And I want to go ahead and say, just first and foremost, everyone who got wrecked in this, this is a prime example why you should always use strong risk management, and it's the reason why we always promote risk management on the channel. But going on, guys, just to have a look at this prediction. What a prediction. We called this right at that breaking point. We even had our analysis pinpointing up to $5.36 range as our initial target. That was all the way back at $71. We called that at this red line. I don't know anyone else who called it. If you can tell me or point me in any direction, if anyone else who called it like we did, go ahead and show me. We predicted $5.36. 92% drop, and it's dropped a lot more since then, guys, and it is not looking very good. So basically, the quick rundown on what has actually happened: you essentially have this UST, which is they're pegging the stable coin, and Do is the basically the leader here of the Terra community. He's been updating everyone with what's actually going on, and he has stated that basically the only way to fix this is to allow the stable coin to basically reabsorb. So he says in a thread in part number 6, quote, "Before anything else, the only path forward will be to absorb the stablecoin supply that wants to exit before UST can start to repeg. There is no way around it." So guys, this is going to continue to drop until the supply is completely reabsorbed. And how low can this go? It can go very low. We're still at over $1 billion market cap. This could go very low, and I definitely would not be trying to catch the bottom on this. We could see this coin drop another 20, 30, 40, 50% from here. It could drop under $1. Now, there is a strong psychological support here at the $1 range. A lot of people will be expecting to look for entries at $1. My best advice, guys, if you do want to enter Luna, you shouldn't be buying anything more than like 0.1% of your portfolio and just buying and just hoping for the best. And in my honest opinion, I'm not even going to touch this with a meter long pole. We predicted this perfectly. We had a lot of people telling me I was wrong. We got it perfectly, all the way up to $5 and much lower down. What I'm suggesting now, guys, is stay patient. If that dollar line cracks, it's going further. We're going to see 50. We're going to see 60 cents. The dollar line holds, we could still bounce, but I would not be counting on it. Just take a look at this. $1. All right, the price would need to climb 103x to go back to where it was. 119x to go back to where it was. If it went back to where it was 3 days ago, we'd have to see a 59x. It is actually insane how quickly this coin has blown up. And I've seen a lot of theories going around about maybe it was an inside job, maybe Do was colluding with a big whale and basically swapping out his UST with some Bitcoin when they were purchasing Bitcoin, and they did a big, or basically what you call a supply switch, and then basically dumped on the retail. That is definitely a possibility. There's a lot going on now, and obviously we don't really have the answers to it. But I think, guys, if you are in this coin, the question is, or not the question, if you are still holding Luna, you really need to consider, what are you doing? I'm just trying to be nice, and I'm trying to be honest. If you're still in Luna, you really need to take a step back from the situation and think about risk management. It is a wake-up call you need to sit there and think, all right, maybe this is the time I need to actually focus on managing my positions, managing my risks, and not allowing something like this to happen again. Because although the market can go up, and it can go up higher than you could probably imagine, it can crash, and it can crash quicker than you'd ever be able to predict. And this is a prime example, guys. So keep that risk management tight, be careful. We're going to quickly take a look at this chart though. Try to do a little technical analysis, even though the market has moved so rapidly that it is almost, I'm going to say almost pointless doing an analysis on this coin in a traditional sense, because the indicators are going to be so far behind. But what we are going to do is we're just going to go ahead and draw in these this uptrending support line. That same support line, if we go ahead and watch this, we did predict if we lose the support line, we crash. And we did that by predicting or identifying the fact that on the inverted chart, we had this massive downward sloping resistance, and we identified what we saw was a descending broadening wedge. And a descending broadening wedge is a bearish pattern. We took a measured move, and to do that, we take a measured move from the local top, so that the bottom, or what we say top when we invert it, and we apply that horizontally, and then we have our breakout distance between the breakout to that level. And that is how we came to our $5.36 target. So obviously that was a big drop, guys, 92% drop. And a lot of people would have saw that video 2 or 3 days ago and figured, MegaWhale, what are you talking about, mate? You're absolutely insane saying it's going to go to $5. It's at $70. But, you know, obviously markets move based on supports and resistances. And there was no doubt Luna was very, very, very oversold. As you can see, look at this. We just did this video, we're at $1.06, we're at 92 cents. Just as we said, we're gonna see under $1, we're gonna crash. We're seeing this happen in real time, guys. Luna, just to take a look at this, let's take a look. And I know this is a bit of a different video to what we usually do. Usually I'm doing more analysis stuff. This is more like a live update almost. Luna's at 750 million market cap. Just think about that. It is at a 666 million market cap. All right, 666 million. Look at this. Look at this. Look where it was. Look where it was a few days ago. All right, 20 billion, 27 billion, 30 billion, guys. All right, it is insane. And I want to show you something really quickly. Look what is happening on the Bitcoin dominance chart. We've been talking about this, guys. We've been talking about this for weeks. For weeks. This whole move, everything has happened. We've told you since November 2021. All right, everyone's panicking, saying the market's crashing, the market's crashing. Nothing here that is happening has been unpredictable. Everything here we've talked about hundreds of times. We told you Bitcoin is going to crash. We told you, we gave you the predictions. We told you that we were going to go down to see 24K. We told you on the 16th of November, guys. The 16th of November we told you. And everything has happened just as that. Recently, we told you 24K. 16th of November, we're going to see it happen. Altcoins are bleeding. Altcoins are going to get wrecked here. Bitcoin dominance has broken upwards. Everything is going to drop. You should not be holding absolutely any coin right now. If you're holding a coin now, you are going to get wrecked. I've been warning everyone for months. I've had a lot of people listen to all my VIP members, to all my loyal subscribers. Congratulations. But to everyone else who has been trying to contest me or disagree, you have to take this as a last warning. I'm not trying to shill anything. I'm not trying to promote bullshit. I'm trying to warn you guys, this is not a good sign. This is the worst the market has looked. And I'm telling you right this, I've been in the crypto market for many, many years. Even in 2018, I have not seen the market look this bad ever. This is terrible. And we have to consider CPI numbers are coming out. Inflation is rising. The economic situation is not cultivating or promoting a state of which currencies, or should I say risk assets, are going to be growing. This is getting out of hand, guys. You need to be very cautious. You need to be very safe. Let's take a look one more time. UST, guys. Yesterday, we had this clown influence telling us 70 cents is a bargain. Kaleo, Martini guy, 70 cents is a bargain. You're the best trade of your life. Buy UST. Look what happened to UST, guys. From 70 cents, we saw another 59% drop. You gotta stop trusting people. You gotta stop trusting people's words for it. You need to do your own analysis, do your own research, look at the data. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour chart. I don't even know, I'm honestly speechless, guys. I've been in cryptocurrency for so many years. I've been a full-time trader for 7 years now, and I'm honestly speechless. It is insane. It takes my breath away looking at this kind of stuff. It really is, guys. The level of the selling pressure that we're seeing here, it is just non-stop down. If you're trying to catch bounces on this, you got to be prepared to get wrecked. Like on these drops, this took 20-30% bounces, but you have to be prepared to be getting wrecked because this is not stopping. This is not stopping. I don't even know where I couldn't even tell you guys. I really could not even tell you where this is going to go. All I can tell you right now is do not try catch this bounce. Do not try catch it. Stay very clear. And there may very well be a time that where you can re-enter Luna, and there may very well be a good entry point at some point in the future. But what I'm trying to say is, you have time. It doesn't matter if it bounces up 100% from now. It doesn't matter if it goes back to $500 or sorry, $5. The all-time high was over 100. It's still a great entry if you're looking for the long term. But we are losing some major supports here. We have lost that $1 range. Let's try to do a little bit of a market analysis. We have lost that $1 range over here. And this is a pretty major resistance now. We can see we retested this over here. We broke out, we shot up, right? We didn't really come back to that level. Coming from here, we have this uptrending kind of scoop. As you say, we have this bottom and we have this little bit of a scoop up over here. We do have a major support level at this point in time over here, which is about 57 cents. And we also have that range to 54. So the next major support zone, guys, for Luna, we can see according to this chart, is sitting down all the way over here at 58 to 54 cents. All right, 58 to 54 cents. Keep that in mind. That's another 56% drop just in the time frame of this video. I told you, if we lose $1, we're crashing. We're at 89 cents now, guys. 89 cents. I don't know. I'm speechless. I don't know about you guys. You know, let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about this. And let me know if anyone else called this. Because I'm out here telling you guys, I called this first. I told everyone we're going to crash. Hell, I even did a video on it telling you guys a few days ago. But, you know, I want to know if anyone else actually called this in the community to a precision that I did. Let me know. Like, I think this is something that is one of those instances where this kind of analysis that enabled us to predict this shouldn't go unheard of, shouldn't go unspoken. I think the people who called this, I really want to know who did it. So let me know down below if you know anyone else who did it. I would just want to give them a pat on the back. And let me know if you're holding. Let me know if you're still holding, if you bought in high and you're holding. I know some people in my last video said they bought around $70 and they regret doing it. And I know some people I know actually have been trying to catch the bounce. I know a few friends of mine trying to catch the bounce at $2. And I don't know if they're still holding now, but they'll be down like 70%. And let me know what you think's going to happen. Let me know if this is going to repeg, it's going to restabilize and go up. But I can tell you one thing. Even if this all the UST repegs, even if that happens, Luna has been permanently damaged. Luna has been permanently damaged. It'll be very, very unlikely for us to recover to all-time highs. I'm already seeing people on Twitter, and I'm going to try find some posts over here. If I go to like a homepage, I've already seen people on Twitter talk about how Luna's going to go back to all-time highs, and you know, I feel terrible for these people. Lost my life savings. I feel terrible for these people. You know, it's awful. But at the you know, this idiot. Look at this freaking idiot. Look at him. So this guy's the worst. This guy has got to be the biggest. He has got. I can't give you words, guys. This guy is the worst person to follow. I'm not even trying to call people out. He has been awfully wrong. He's led so many people to the slaughter by his false, his lies, and he's calling the bottom every day. You need to stop trusting people who don't have a track record. And look, buying Luna now. All these influencers are buying Luna. They don't know what they're doing. They're not experienced enough to handle these situations. I don't even know what to tell you guys anymore. I really don't. I don't even know what to tell you. 71 cents as we're going, as we're talking. We told you we're going to go see 60. We told you we're seeing 60. We're at 70. I'm going to end the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Consider liking, consider following. We tell you how it is, guys. We've told you the truth the entire way through. I hope you've listened. And at the end of the day, we're in a position where we will capitalize from the bottom. We will capitalize from the bottom. We will profit. We haven't lost a cent through this drop. We haven't lost a cent since any drop in the whole year, and we will capitalize at the bottom. And I thank you for everyone who's paid attention to my content and supported me thus far. I think this is probably one of my I would say one of the biggest trades I've ever done in the course of a few days. I think this is insane. I'm still blown away every time I look at this chart. I just get goosebumps. I really do, and I really feel for everyone who's got wrecked and got lost. So if you need to reach out to someone, hit me down in the comments, send me a direct message on Twitter. All right, you can find me on Telegram as well, links in the description. If you want to talk it through, come and talk to me. I know losing a lot of money can be very, very difficult sometimes, and if you're not emotionally equipped or you're not experienced in trading, because you lose money when you trade, it can snowball. It can snowball, and those bad emotions can snowball to the rest of your life, and it can really take you down a few notches. And you'd be surprised how much it can affect you until it's a bit too late. So let me know down below, guys, if you need any assistance. If you want to chat, hit me up. I'm always happy to help. Even though I've been calling it, even though I've been telling you guys, and even though I've been right and I've saved money and I've saved all my followers money, there are still people in my community who follow me, who like my content, and other people who didn't, unfortunately. And you know, you're going to lose sometimes in trading. You're not always going to win, but you have to learn from your mistakes. And if you have lost from this, don't feel defeated. Take a step back, understand that it is a loss, it is a lesson, and you can learn from it. And just like riding a bike, you're going to fall over. You're going to fall over when you learn to trade. And that's just part of the game, guys. It's just part of the game. You have to build yourself up, develop, move past it, and progress. You just got to lift your head up. So I'll catch you in the next video, guys. I just want to summarize by saying Bitcoin's looking awful. Bitcoin's looking awful. All right, you lose 29,200. We're gone. We're going 24K. Bitcoin dominance. It's breaking upwards. UST. I don't even have any words anymore, guys. I'm just going to take a quick look at USD AUD inflation numbers pumping. All right. So look, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and watch this video here. biggest sell signal in over a year. We really just predicted this. If you want to find me, you can obviously contact me on Twitter and Telegram. And if you're interested in VIP, guys, we gave this signal in VIP. Our VIP Megas made a massive amount of money. Massive amount of money on this trade. So hit me up, join VIP, and let's start winning in the future. All right, take it easy. I wanted to quickly introduce my new favorite exchange, Bitget. Bitget is a non-KYC exchange, which is particularly beneficial for members in the UK and Australia who are limited by certain trade restrictions. Bitget has 250 plus spot trading pairs, as well as 60 plus leverage trading pairs, up to 125x leverage. Sign up now in the link in the description using our referral code to get up to $153 in rewards for completing 4 separate tasks. Let's go ahead and dive back into the video.